Dear students, now let's do question number 1, 12.2 exercise. A park is in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD. Means now four-sided figure is there. Has angle C 90 degree. AB is equal to 9 meter. BC is equal to 12 meter. CD is equal to 5 meter. AD is equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? So now dear students, in our question, quadrilateral ABCD is given to us, whose all the four sides are given to us and one angle 90 degree. But the particular type of quadrilateral is not mentioned in the question, whether it is a rectangle or square or trapezium, parallelogram, etc. So we can't use any formula for this quadrilateral. So to calculate the area of this quadrilateral, we have to join a diagonal so that the quadrilateral will get converted into two triangles. Now we can join two diagonals. One option is BD and other is AC. Why we are joining BD? Because by joining BD we'll get a right triangle BCD. By using this triangle, we can get the diagonal length of the diagonal of this triangle by using Pythagoras theorem. If we'll get BD length, with that we'll get all the three sides of triangle BCD as well as ABD triangle. So from that we can calculate the area of two triangles, and by adding them we'll get the area of the complete quadrilateral. So let us first find out the length of the diagonal BD by Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? BD square means hypotenuse square. Which side is hypotenuse? The side which is opposite to 90 degree. So BD square, hypotenuse square is equal to BC square plus CD square. So let us put the values of BC and CD in this. So what is BC? BC is 12 and CD is 5. So 12 square plus 5 square will get 144 plus 25. By adding them we'll get 169. So that means BD square is 169. When square goes to the other side, it will become square root. Or we can say taking square root on both the sides. And it is the square root of 13. So BD, length of the side BD will be 13 meter. Now let us find out the area of two triangles and then we will add them. Dear students, now for triangle BCD we have two options. Because it is a right triangle, we can use the other formula, half base into height also, or by Heron's formula. So the shorter method is half base into height. Because the triangle is right triangle, that's why we are using this. So half base CD into height BC. So area of triangle BCD is equal to half base CD into perpendicular BC. That is half into 5 into 12. So by solving it, 2 6 are 12, 5 6 are 30 meter square is the area of first triangle. Now to calculate the area of triangle ABD, we have to first solve the semi-perimeter. And what is the formula for semi-perimeter? Formula for semi-perimeter is S is equal to, now in triangle, first of all we will write in triangle ABD. So formula for semi-perimeter is S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So this is the formula for semi-perimeter. So now we know all the three sides, 9, 13, 8. So we'll put the values 9 plus 13 plus 8 divided by 2. This is 21 plus 9, 30 divided by 2, and we'll get semi-perimeter as 15 meter. So in this way you will get it. Now by using Heron's formula, we'll calculate area of triangle ABD. What is the formula? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So let us put the values. S is 15 into 15 minus 9, 15 minus 13 and 15 minus 8. So let us solve it. 15 into this 6 into 2 into 7. So let us factorize them further. 15, 2 3s are 5, 3s are 15, for 6, 3 2s are 6, multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 7. So let us make the pairs. 3 and 2 will come out and will get under root 5 into 7. So 6 square root of 35 meter square is the area for second triangle. But dear students, now to add the two areas, this area and the area of first triangle, we must make them like terms. Means in this case now we have to solve the square root also. So let me explain you the long division method for this 35. First of all, make the pair and we have to use the square numbers. 1 square 1, 2 square 2, 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. 36 बड़ा हो जाएगा. So we are using 5 5s are 25 like this. Subtract will get 10 and to get the next divisor add the same divisor, will get 5 plus 5 10 and dash. Now next no pair is left. Let us place the decimal and carry a pair of zeros. Now place the decimal here also. Carry the pair of zeros. It will become 1000. So now let us place 9. If we are placing 9, we have to multiply this by 9. So when we multiply this by 9, 109 multiplied by 9, we get 981. So now the remainder is 19. But dear students, whenever we solve it, we have to move up to minimum 2 decimal place. So let us carry one more pair of zeros like this. And to get the next divisor, add 9 now. This will become 118 and dash. Now we will take 1. 1181 when get multiplied by 1 will get the same number. So in this way no need to solve further because we got 2 decimal place solution. So we'll put it in this. So 6 into 5.6 into 5.91. So 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are 54, carry 5, 30 and 35. Place the decimal. This is the area for second triangle. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD will be obtained by adding the two areas. Area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. So first area is 30 meter square. Second is 35.46 meter square. By adding them we'll get 65.46 meter square, and this is the answer for the complete question. So dear students, I hope it is clear to you.